Yeah, man, I take a lot of photos, pictures also. You know, I enjoy photography.
Well, I just started, let's say 2 years now. Real good, man. What's up, snappers? This is your boy Charlie Joe Handsome back again. This is like an ongoing thing, man. Every time I come over to the printing shop, it's like, you know, something goes wrong, or I gotta finish editing something, or we find a defect in the photo or whatnot. But hopefully I got this thing right this time. This is all just pretty much teaching me a lot, you know, about what to make sure to have in order prior to bring it to a print shop. This has been like literally like a week and a half, 2-week process of me getting this photo together correctly, and it's teaching me also, you know, how to really edit my photos and stuff like that. Like I usually edit like at the standard size that it comes or is uploaded as, but I have now learned that I need to actually get a measuring tape and actually measure the ruler size or inches of the actual canvas. So pretty much I have to zoom into my photo and get a ruler and line it up with the inches on that ruler. That way I know how my photo is going to be when it prints and things like that. So I can't really record in there, so I'm going to record my portion so you guys can see what's going on when we do print, or how it's made, or how it's done, I should say. If there is any paintings that's showing on here, I will be blurring it out just off of courtesy and respect for Philip and his wife at Quantum.
And this is what you just sent me. See, when it comes up now, it says the profile that is embedded into the file is sRGB. And it's asking me, what do you want to do? Do you want to keep the profile that's embedded into the file, or do you want to change it out to Adobe RGB 1998? So if we keep the profile that's embedded into the file, this is what comes up. You see that? So you see the difference between that and this. This is very very cold dark.
It's crazy because on my screen I lit it up because I remember you saying the darks is going to be too dark, and I put it up and it still changed it. That's
this
crazy.
looks good, you know, except that you brought your laptop.
Yeah.
Let me see. Now let me see what the settings are set on.
Okay.
A much wider color spectrum, so it has more color range.
Okay.
So you want to change this to Adobe RGB 1998, which is this one up here, and then you want to turn on all these check boxes here. So when you open a file, you're gonna get this message. See that message there?
Okay.
That message is saying, hey, your file has sRGB embedded into it. What do you want to do? Do you want to open it with that embedded profile, or do you want to convert it to the Adobe RGB 1998 profile? So I usually say convert it to the working space. The working space is Adobe RGB 1998. And so you need to put all these check boxes on, and then leave that in Adobe RGB 1998, and then you apply that, and close that file and reopen it. You should see.
Okay. So let's close. I don't have to close it all the way.
I'm not sure if you have to close Photoshop. I think you just have to close the file.
Okay, let's close it.
Let's open it again and see. Yeah, see there?
Ah, okay. And
So
then convert
you want to
documents.
convert it, so it's going to convert it to the working
Color.
space, which is Adobe RGB 1998.
Okay.
What is that doing? Video?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, real small and simple, but it really actually picks up
Is the
good
quality
sounds. The quality is good, 4K as well.
Wow.
Too.
What
Really
brand
nice.
is that? Where you got that?
DJI. I got it from Best Buy Open Box, and it's probably like $150 or something. Yeah.
That's very cool. Okay, so if you can see, that's how it looks on your screen. That's how it looks on my screen.
Yeah.
So I don't know if your eyes can see the difference between that and that.
Yeah. Yeah.
See the difference?
Yeah.
So all I did was I just subtracted a little bit of cyan out of the black channel, and it still needs to be a little bit. It needs to go a little bit more. Let's say 1 click of yellow and a little bit of magenta. Maybe go to the neutral channel also and take out a little bit of the blue out of the neutral channel.
I need to study the colors. I think that's very important.
Very important. So it went from this to this, you know.
That's crazy.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this, right? I'm going to apply this setting now. It went from this to this.
Much much different.
So it's warmer. This was the file from last week. So
Which that's the adjustment
that's the adjustment I did.
Yeah.
And you know what? I actually like this background here
Yeah.
to this background there. So let me just zoom up on it for a minute here and see. I press down on the ruler so the ruler doesn't move.
Right,
And I
right.
don't do it in one go. Last guy I had in here that did this, he
was-
sliced his finger.
Wow.
Sometimes you have to take the paper edge. And also there's a special tool for that too. This is a tool for that. This creates a wavy effect on the edge of the paper. And this is actually what he used for his finger.
All right, snappers. We back at it like Crackmatic. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out, right? Let's go see what we can do. Let's go check the big man. He's the man with the plan, custom made frames. You know, I'll get everything. Alright, so let's check it out. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys what it's pretty much called. Nice. How you doing, Juan? How are you? How you doing? Nice to meet you. First time?
Yes.
We first time. This is Juan. Heard that he's a genius, master framework, master painter.
Oh,
Just he's everything. So first time here, guys.
How you doing?
I am fine. I just
Right.
came here
Okay.
to see what you got for me. What you can do for me?
Okay, perfect. This is photographs.
Yes. Portrait, I guess you would say. Yeah.
Oop.
I hope.
It's two photos.
Two of them. Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Good.
Okay. Yeah.
Well,
Thank you. 2 years in. I'm hoping to get better.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, beautiful.
Yes, and it took a lot of work to convince her to take a photo.
So beautiful.
Yeah. Got a little technical difficulties, guys. Hopefully it don't mess up the frame. I mean the photo. Let's check out the different frames we got here, guys. Yeah, thanks. It means a lot coming from you, so thank you.
Yeah. So. Some nice
Colors.
Everything just gorgeous. Yeah. So you wanna put a frame with hot or? Like something, modern, something.
Yeah, so my goal is to pretty much go like all my studio. I'm making a new studio.
Okay.
So I want to start putting my work on the wall.
On the wall. Okay.
Yeah. So obviously the studio will be white.
What?
Yeah.
So you think gold is the best model or?
Or I don't know if you have something like a mixture of gold
Mixture of
and
gold.
black.
Yeah, yes.
AG Studios is the name of my studio, so it's short for As Good As Gold. I don't know, guys. What you guys think? What you guys think? I don't know what to go with, really. Like, should I go with the gold? Will that be just too much? Or should I go with black? Or something like dark? Or maybe I go with something matte gold. Maybe something like that, right? I think that looks kind of dope.
Yeah, any of those hold your attention? Or?
This right here kind of caught my attention. It's almost like a goldish, but just not so present. It's almost like matte, dull finish maybe.
Kind of white cream, but
Okay.
sorry, it's little dirty, that one.
Okay, so this is have to be placed on top of it.
On top of it.
Okay.
Top of this.
Is there any reason why?
It depends on you, because it can be used
Just the paper
the
itself.
paper, the
Mhm.
paper with that, but this is more decoration for the
Oh.
piece.
Okay.
And you will see, which one of the frame?
That. Yeah.
Oh, this is floating. This kind of is for like canvas.
Oh, the thick.
The thick
The one where you
canvas,
wrap
and
around the wood.
Exactly. You put
Okay.
it on top, so float it in there.
Okay.
And we can find something.
Something similar.
What is this called?
So pretty much like this.
Yes.
Okay.
So you like more?
Yeah, modern.
Modern.
Yes, modern, vintage, slight. You know.
Okay.
So it's pretty much the same. This
It
one
was
is
the
more.
same, yes, exactly.
So do you think, in your
Same.
opinion, slim would be better, or like this is more
depends.
stronger?
Uh,
So this is the expensive side right here. You're looking at big money here. This is like Walmart right here, and this is Target on this side.
this one is nice. This one
Oh yeah.
is so nice. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. That's soft. Still a little roughness to it, but it's soft.
Yes.
Oh yeah. I like
You got
this.
some red, getting good lips.
Oh, so the
So
okay.
come on with
Yeah.
something there, and kind of greenish, gray, with this red and the silver. Come on, perfect. Could be the same. It has gold over here,
Mm-hmm.
with the green. Come on, go with this, and boom. This
Yeah.
is white.
Yeah. I'll say. Yeah. Let's try them both with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Now he's gonna put all the discounts together, guys. Okay.
Who's it?
All right.
How it-
My YouTube.
Oh, is it?
YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
hmm So I just started YouTube about 2 weeks ago. So I'm trying to get as much footage in there. I do photography, try to work with financing and stuff like that.
Oh.
Do it yourself cars. I just put a new grill on my car, so I just made a content for that. So trying everything out. You never know what's gonna happen.
Studio there?
Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it's great.
It's a little mess.
Mess, but that's the best thing about the studio. Oh,
She's a
I
mermaid.
just seen it. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I like the signature. The signature is really a good touch.